Everyone guys, my name is the House Owner and welcome to another one video of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Welcome today. I have some adventure map like Escape Original, and I go to work with my friend and let's do it. Oh my goodness, what is?
Let's do it, Lawrence.
Shut up. Okay, please key in the hole. Okay, what? Welcome to the Escape, a fun adventure map created by named Jason. Oh, that's my friend. And you might only break block. Says yeah, blah 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 blah. I know that. Good chest. Oh, wait, still do my sound. I'm gonna place it in this. Where am I? Oh, I'm falling down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Please get in the hole. Please place all items in chest. Why? But I'm gonna miss. What is this? Yeah, I told him that's a cake. Gotcha. Haha, I know that. Oh man. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Why can I? Oh, oh. Oh my god. That's so cool. Okay, next. Third round. What is this? Say, game, update. You may break all blocks except iron. Bars and stone breaks harder. Materials need a pickaxe. Yup, I know that. You may break blocks you place. Oh, oh, wait a second. Why did you do that? I see that. Okay, because I'm sorry because I'm break that. Oh my god. I'm gonna do just look at that. Okay. What can I do? Break this. I'm gonna break this. I don't know where I'm going. So like that. Oh my god, it's really hard. Why am I do this? What's that? Oh my god. I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna break that. Look. Yeah, I'm not a true house owner, but yeah, but I was thinking I'm copying, but that's my favorite Minecraft character. Yeah, he's really good, and his friend Ross, my favorite Minecraft character, and Sky, Nick. Yeah, in the guy Barney, I like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you kidding me? The heck? Are you kidding me, boy? Okay, and okay, let's do it, but Dr. Clerks. Laboratory. Oh, I love that. I have lab too. Yeah. Mm. Oh, I know that. What? Okay, I think I'm gonna go that way. Oh my god. No. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Wait. Wait. What the heck is this? Say don't break anything. Oh my goodness. I am do this. Tell me. Because ugh, I'm so crying. I'm not actually crying. Oh oh. Oh danger. Oh prototype. Yeah, I know that prototype. It's gonna be a danger. If you go there you're gonna die. Yeah, I saved my life. Oh my gonna I'm die. I'm die. But thank you guys for watching my video. I'm Dowso owner again. Please click that like button and subscribe me if you like it my anime video. I'm in Canada, yeah. And thanks for watching guys. And this is my part 1 and bye.